What is a Cluster.KCS file? When Kaleidoscope Pro is used to do a cluster analysis batch process of recordings, one of the files that is created as an output result is a Cluster.KCS file. The Cluster.KCS file is a special file that can only be used by Kaleidoscope Pro. The Cluster.KCS file contains the mathematical models of all the clusters that were created from the initial cluster analysis process. The Cluster.KCS file is a classifier. It can be used by Kaleidoscope Pro to compare new recordings to the cluster models created from the initial cluster analysis scan. Typically, if you wanted to use the Cluster.KCS file to sort new data, you'd probably want to name the clusters to describe what each cluster represented. That would be a simple classifier. And if you wanted to further train the classifier via manual labeling of individual vocalizations, that would still result in a Cluster.KCS file, which would be an advanced classifier. You can create multiple KCS files to represent different types of classifiers. You can rename the Cluster.KCS file if you like. You can send your simple or advanced classifier KCS files to colleagues, and they can use your classifier to analyze and sort their own data. And you don't need any of the original training recordings to use a KCS file unless you want to further edit and refine the KCS classifier. Thank you for watching.